I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'll be showing you how to fit an SF-AA50 active air filter into your Miele vacuum cleaner. If you notice unpleasant smells coming from your vacuum cleaner, or if you suffer with allergies, or if you just like top quality filtration, then this is for you. Miele vacuums generally have really good filtration, but the clean carbon filter is a great addition as it removes 99.95% of particles. The active carbon cassette is a great addition as well as it removes odours from the dust bag, making it ideal for allergy sufferers or for pet owners. For best results, we recommend replacing it approximately every 50 hours or 12 months. There are two types of these filters, the SF-AA30 and the SF-AA50. So be sure to get the correct filter for your machine. This one is the SF-AA50 and is suitable for the C2 machines like R1. And this one is the SF-AA30 and is suitable for older Miele vacuum models as well as the classic C1 models. Make sure the filter is suitable for your model before purchasing, and you can do this using the eSpares model number checker on our website. Once you've removed strong odours using the carbon filters, you can make your home smell even more fresh by using the eSpares vacuum air freshener. I will link a video up here showing you how to use it. But now let's get started and fit the filter into your Miele vacuum cleaner. First, lay down your vacuum cleaner flat and open up the top part. Then remove the existing filter if you're adding this for the first time. To do this, just remove the casing by unclipping it. Then remove the filter underneath. Be sure to never have two filters in your vacuum at the same time. Here is the SF-AA50 filter, and on the side of the filter there's a green button with a white strip next to it. Before you insert the filter, you'll need to press this green button. The filter works on a timer. When the filter is due to be changed, the white strip will turn red. Place the filter inside your vacuum with the lip facing forward. You should hear it click when it's firmly in place. When it comes to replacing the filter, after approximately 12 months, it can be easily removed by lifting it out, following the arrow shown on the front. Then simply close the top of your vacuum cleaner and your filter will start working right away. For more videos on care and maintenance of your vacuum cleaner, make sure you check out our Vacuum Cleaner Care product demo playlist down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our home and garden appliance maintenance, repair and product demonstration videos. Thanks for watching!